Good afternoon, students. Today we study about understanding elementary shape, chapter 11. We revise types of angle in this chapter today. So come to page number 201. 201 types of angle. So first angle we study about, that is right angle. Right angle, an angle whose measure is 90 degree is called the right angle. When two objects or two things we keep in this way, they form the angle is called the 90 degree. This is called the perpendicular also. This line is called perpendicular to this base ground. Then the angle formed between them is the 90 degree, or you can say that right angle. These are the some examples of the right angle. The carpenter square, this if you have seen, the carpenter square makes the angle is 90 degree. Then symbol, this is the symbol. This square, making square is the symbol of making right angle. Then this is your right angle. These are the poles, north, south, east, west. So angle between these poles is 90 degree. Each angle, this is the 90 degree, this one 90 degree, 90 degree. The sum of all these four angles is the 360 degree, as you know the complete angles. Okay. Then there are some special angles which is based on the, or you can say related to the right angle. First one is the acute angle. An angle smaller than a right angle is called the acute angle. Like the scissor, the angle between these two blades is the acute angle because this is less than 90 degree. This is less than 90 degree. Then this angle between these two you can say rods is acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. This angle is less than 90 degree. Then obtuse angle. Then obtuse angle, an angle greater than a right angle but less than two right angles is called a obtuse angle. An angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Simply you can say that an angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called the obtuse angle. This is your obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree. So 90 degree is here. This is just 90 degree, but the angle which is greater than 90 degree is called, this complete angle is your obtuse angle. Obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called the obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. Straight angle, an angle equal to two right angle, means two right angle means 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. An angle, then an angle whose measure is 180 degree is called the straight angle. So straight angle, you can see that it's simply line. You can say a simply line, this complete angle. You can a straight line and this complete angle is your 180 degree. So it is the sum of two right angles. It is the sum of two right angle. You can see that this is complete straight angle. And next is reflex angle, the angle which is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. So this angle is reflex angle which is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. And the zero angle means zero angle. Movement of slug is nothing, so this is your zero angle. Okay, zero angle. And last one is complete angle. Complete angle. Complete angle means this complete angle. This is your 360 degrees. So types of angles is right angle. First we learn about the right angle. The right angle which measure is 90 degree. Then there are some special angles which is based on, or you can say which is related to the right angle. Those are acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, zero angle. Acute less than 90 degree, obtuse greater than 90 degree, straight is equal to 180 degree, reflex is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. Next is zero angle which is a measure of 0 degree, that is nothing. Next is complete angle. That is, the measure of an complete angle is 360 degree. This complete angle is 360 degree, complete circle. You can say that this is complete angle. Okay, there are some examples. Corner of a room. Yes, imagine corner of a room is making an angle of right angle. Pillar on a ground. Pillar means if you see this is your ground, a pillar, stand on it. This is your pillar. So the angle between them is 90 degree. Next, acute angle. Some examples of acute angle. Sun rays makes acute angle with the ground in the morning. So angle between the sun rays and the sun rays makes acute angle with the ground. Next, angle between the two adjacent figures. These are your figures, and the angle between them. Angle between them is acute. It is less than 90 degree. So this is an acute angle. You can see these figures. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle.